So I'm going to show you a demo on the POS system, the Robipos point of sale system. So I'll log in with the password for the admin, which is 129. So once I've logged in into the system, the first thing we need to do is we need to come to goods and services on product category. Then on the product category, we have to come to the main category. So on the main category, we can create as many main categories as possible. So let's say, for example, if you're dealing with a mini mart, supermarket, hardware, for example, I'll create with the main category for hardware. Then I click on the add main category. So after creating the main category, we'll need to create the different categories which belongs to hardware business. So you can say cements. Then I tag that main category, which is hardware. Then I can create another category for pipes. Then I tag that particular main category. Then I click on add category. So after creating the product category, the next thing is we need to create the item. So we'll go to goods and services, then stock list. Then on stock list counter, we'll click on the add product. So on the add product, we'll start by keying the name. We can say Bamburi cement 50 kg. So after inputting the name, we come to select category. So category is cement. Then we can tag a specific supplier. Then on the buying price, we can say 650. Then selling price, let's say 900. Then quantity in stock, we can do 10 of them. So after inputting the quantity, we come to the reorder level. We can do 5, reorder of 5. Then now we add product. So after adding the item, I'll create another second product, which is PVC pipes. PVC type. So after inputting the name, we come to category. Category is pipes. Then supplier, we can do a default supplier. Then buying price, we can say 300. Then selling price, we can do 500. Then quantity 10 of them, stock. Then reorder of 5. So once we've created the item, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sell this item. So we'll come to money in, then on the sales module. Then on the sales module, you can type using the name of the item. Let's say Bamburi cement, I sell like 5 of them, followed by PVC pipes. Then on the quantity, I can do 5 of them. Then once I'm done with the selling part, we'll come to the mode of payment. You can do M-Pesa, and also you can input the transaction code. Then you have to click on the print to complete that sale. So after completing that sale, when you come to our stock list, you'll see the quantity in stock has depleted. So the next thing we're going to do, I'll do one purchase so that we can see if the stock has increased. So I'll come to add new purchase. Then you select the supplier name and the invoice number. Then select the processing branch. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, you start by keying the first item on the invoice. You can say Bamburi purchased 10 pieces, followed by PVC pipes, 10 as well. Then once you are done with the receiving process, you have to complete and close. So the moment we've completed and closed, when you come back to your stock list, you'll see the quantities has increased. And also when you run your stock value report, you'll see now the stock value has increased in terms of the quantities and the value. So the next thing I'm going to show you, we are going to run a report. So you have two options of checking the report. The first one is money in cashier sales. Then on cashier sales, you have two reports. The first one is the detail and the summary. So when you run the detailed report, the system is able to show you a list of the item, the quantity and the total that items have been able to be sold at the end of the day. Then when you run the summary report, the system is able to show you the total now in terms of the modes of payment, the total amount, what was paid in cash and M-Pesa. And when you come to the report section, it has two reports. You have the detail and the summary. This section is specifically for the admin. So when you run the view sales report, the system is able to show you the profit you've made at the end of the day. It can be daily, weekly, or monthly. So for you to get the profit, the system takes the TTS less from the TTB. And also the other report you can get is the sales per product. Let's say you want to track a sale for a particular product. Let's say it's Bamburi. So you click on the item and it has a date. You can select from which date to date. So when you run that report, the system is able to show you the total quantity sold and the profit for that particular item. The other report is the sales per product category, so the system is able to show you sales for those category. And the last one is the fast and slow moving report, where you are able to know the items which are moving faster. Yeah, thanks.